Let's talk about anime. So, if you're watching this video, I presume that you are quite new to the world of anime, or you just want to make some weeb friends, which I feel your pain. So today, I'm going to give you some tips that have worked for me when I wanted to make weeb friends in real life. Yes, we can all make internet friends, but I'm talking real friends. I'm talking about people that you see in the real world. Number one, if you are in the wild, or at work, or school, or wherever, and you see someone with some kanji on their clothes, that is normally a very good indication that they like anime. Spark up a conversation about it, say, oh, that's interesting, what does it mean? And then they will normally tell you that they either like anime or just Japanese culture in general. Number two, this is a clothing one again. If you look around people's bags in a workplace, this is normally good, I've done this before, and you looking just in where you keep your bags, if there's like a symbol, and when I say symbol I mean like the red cloud thing from Naruto, that could be on somebody's bag. Or if you're out and about in the gym, some people wear like anime logos. This is another good sign this person is into anime and weeb culture. Something that happened to me, this is a real story. I was chatting with somebody at work and he had kanji on his hoodie and I was tempted to ask him, but I was nervous and didn't want to ask. And then we got on the conversation about wanting to visit Japan. Now, if somebody talks about wanting to visit Japan, 9 times out of 10, not always, not all the time, it might mean that they like anime. If they want to go to Tokyo especially, that's only a massive red flag to me. I mean, green flag, because we want people to be weebs. Say, as maybe a response is, do you want to go to Akihabara? That is always a good one because that's a very anime-centric place, and if somebody wants to go to Akihabara, I think you've found yourself a weeb there. This one is a pretty obvious one, but some people miss it. If you're in a group setting and somebody makes a reference that you notice to be an anime reference, then 1,000,000% that person's into anime. But it is an option if you're feeling brave. I've never particularly felt brave enough to do this, but if you could make a reference yourself, it then will encourage your fellow secret weebs that this is a safe space where we can talk about anime. I was told once on a video to like improve retention to change the camera angle, so I don't know if this is working, but are you entertained now? We're under the desk. Are we having a good time? I do hope so. My next point is, this one is a little bit creepy, but it is an option. If you're feeling creepy like me and being under the desk, you can always look at their Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Sometimes they follow shows or artists or AniTubers. It's an option. You can look into that if you're into being weird, apparently like I am. Yeah, check their socials. Sometimes they follow stuff and just don't talk about it, you know? Okay, I'm gonna get from under the desk now. This is the last one, and it feels like the most obvious one to say, so I left it for last. Go to a con, bro. Go to a con. I haven't been able to go to a con because I got into anime when the Rona hit, so if you are new to anime, tell me any tips below how I can make more weeb friends. I would like that. I hope you like the video as an idea, all just so many wise. But yeah, please comment down below if there's anything else you want me to discuss, talk about. Ciao for now.